What is going on, people? Okay, currently in quarantine like all of us, and I've started spending money that I haven't got. So here's the stock gear knob. Car's only done 10,000 miles, so everything is perfect. There's nothing wrong with this gear knob. It's just a little bit too tall. I don't know, so I thought I'd try something different. I really want to get a CAE, is it, shifter? Might invest in one of those if this doesn't give me the desired effects. But here is the weight of this thing. Here's the height difference. Is unbelievable. It's that heavy. I'm almost concerned that it might have a negative effect. I don't know. I read a lot that these feel awesome. So here it is. It's a Stormworks. It's got a really nice plastic kind of insert to make it nice and snug. And then we nip up these grub screws on the side. But literally the weight of this, you can, just to give you an idea, I mean, it's solid. Oh, yeah. Here she is. A little bit dirty at the moment, hasn't been washed in many months. The car was due to come out quite a while ago, but unfortunately due to the global emergency that we're all currently in, it's sitting in here. Can't get its yearly MOT, which means I can't get it road legal. So here is the stock shifter setup. This literally just grab your fingers in and pull it out. So unclip it all the way around, move this back if you've still got the stock shifter and unplug it, and then just give it a sharp pull upwards. Mine was extremely stiff, so we are gonna go and put on this new Stormworks. So I can't do that one-handed, so I'll do. Okay, so it's installed, nice and straight. Feels amazing. It's definitely made a much bigger difference than I thought it would actually make. It's a lot lower, so it's shortened the throw, and with the additional weight, it just feels much better. Really pleased with that. You know, little cheap mod, £100. So yeah, really pleased with that. So that's it. Here's my little gauges. Turn the radio off. Oil pressure, we've got wide band air fuel ratio and boost. So yeah, very pleased with that mod. So cost effective, looks nice. I mean, come on, we're all about the aesthetics. We're guys and girls. I know some ladies like these things too, but yeah, there we go. Go pick one up if you guys are interested. Storm Motorworks Billet weighted gear knob. Looks great.